Today we are going to talk about Adobe Spark Post to learn how to create awesome stunning designs in no time, inshallah. Create beautiful graphics, web pages and video stories in minutes. Pick from thousands of free images and icons for your designs. Create unique designs from exclusive premium templates. Go to spark.adobe.com and sign up using your favorite option for free. First, let's create a design using a Spark Post template. Search via Search Templates box. Select that matches your design. You can change it as you wish and download once you are satisfied with it. Double-click any component of the template to change it accordingly. Just a click will show its properties to help you make tremendous changes without a hassle. Double-click and change the text. Use your mouse to move the text. Use properties to change spacing and more. Double-click an icon to change it. You can search for numerous icons and choose whatever you want. Use properties to flip the icon. Click the background and use options in the properties to change the background as you wish. Filters, enhancements and blur will help you make your design look more professional. Press and hold Shift key while you select the objects you want to group. Once you are done with the selection, click the group option from the properties. Now you can move everything together to adjust the alignment easily. Once you are done, you can download the design from the top right corner. Give your design or project a name so that it will be easier for you to find it in your project's library. You can create more from the templates using the plus icon on the top left corner, where you can select flyers, Instagram posts and stories, Facebook posts, collage web page and a lot more, including customized size and your own templates. Just select one of the templates, change as you wish and download. If you use animations in your design, you will be able to download it as a video file. If you want to play the animation before you download, you can play the animation with the play button in the bottom left corner. Name your design and click Home to save. To create a custom design, go to the blue plus icon and select a template. Add an icon, resize and let's move it to the bottom left. Change the background color and the icon color using the property panel. Click text from the left and select an appropriate text. Resize and change using property. If you want to add an image to the background, click the background and click Choose Image from the property panel. Select Find Free Photos from the left side and search for an image. When you find a satisfactory image, click it to add it to the background. Use the Properties panel to move the background image and objects to bring out your text. Click the background and use filters in the property to change it to personalize as you wish. You can remove the Adobe Spark watermark by just clicking it. Name, save and close. That's it. There are mobile apps for both Android and iOS. You can follow the same steps using your phone app too. Hope it will help you save a lot of time and let you design beneficial designs conveniently, inshallah. All the best. Assalamu alaikum.